Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for honest, in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag for Men, a sleek and functional solution for organizing your toiletries while you travel or just keep things tidy at home. If you're someone who likes to keep things organized and easily accessible, stick around, because this could be the toiletry bag you've been looking for. Now let's take a closer look at what this bag has to offer. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag for Men comes in two sizes, medium and large. The medium size measures 10.6 inches by 3.9 inches by 6.7 inches, while the large size expands to 12.2 inches by 5.5 inches by 7.5 inches. So whether you're packing light for a weekend getaway or need to store all your family's toiletries, this bag covers both needs. It's made from water-resistant material, which makes it super easy to wipe clean and ensures your essentials stay protected from any splashes or spills. One of the standout features here is its multifunctional design. Inside, you'll find a spacious main compartment with elastic straps that hold your bottles upright, which is perfect for preventing leaks. There are also several smaller pockets, both zippered and open, to keep everything from your shaving supplies to makeup organized and easy to grab. The front pocket is waterproof, which is a great touch for keeping wet and dry items separated, and the back features even more pockets to keep your items neatly arranged. Let's talk about the usability. The BAGSMART Toiletry Bag is equipped with a double zipper design, which makes it super easy to access all of your items. No more struggling with a bag that won't open properly. The hidden snap closure at the back adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your stuff stays where it should, without the fear of zippers snagging. Now, as far as performance goes, I've used this bag on a few trips, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. The capacity is perfect for a variety of travel needs. I've packed everything from shampoos and lotions to razors and toothbrushes without feeling like I'm overstuffing it. The separate compartments really do keep everything organized, and the water-resistant material is a big plus when you're trying to protect your shaving equipment or skincare items. So, what are the pros and cons of this bag? On the plus side, the water-resistant material is a real winner, especially for those of us who are always on the go. The dual zipper design makes opening and closing it a breeze, and the different sizes give you flexibility depending on your needs. Plus, the organizational features are top-notch. Everything stays in place and is easy to find. The downside? While the design is quite functional, the medium size might feel a bit small if you need to pack larger items or are traveling with multiple people. But for solo trips or quick getaways, it should be more than enough. Is this bag a good value for the money? Absolutely. Considering the durability, thoughtful design, and multifunctional use, it offers solid value at a reasonable price. You're getting a well-made, spacious bag that will last you through plenty of travels, and it combines the best features of a toiletry bag, shaving kit, and even a makeup organizer, all in one. When it comes to alternatives, there are a few other toiletry bags on the market, but the BAGSMART stands out thanks to its combination of size options, water-resistant material, and well-thought-out compartments. Some cheaper options might offer similar storage space, but you might lose out on quality and functionality. If you're willing to spend a little more for a truly practical and durable solution, this is a great choice. In terms of build quality, the bag feels sturdy and well-constructed. The zippers work smoothly, and the fabric is tough yet soft to the touch. I've had no issues with any wear and tear, even after multiple trips. As for longevity, I haven't had this bag long enough to comment on long-term wear, but everything feels solid enough that I expect it to last quite a while. As for customer support, I haven't needed to reach out to the company myself, but from the general reputation, it seems like BAGSMART is known for providing responsive customer service if any issues arise. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a practical, well-designed toiletry bag that can hold your grooming essentials and more, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag for Men is definitely worth considering. It's functional, spacious, and built to last. I'd recommend it for anyone who travels often or just wants a tidy, organized solution for their bathroom essentials. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to drop any questions or share your thoughts in the comments, especially if you already own this bag. The link to get your own BAGSMART Toiletry Bag is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and as always, goodbye till next time, where beauty meets practicality, only here on Beautyistic.